Taking a look around the... Heavy rain on the way for us tonight with a chance of storms. Those showers should ease by tomorrow afternoon with strong southwesterly winds, heading for a top of 20 in the city and 21 in our west.
We made it! Made it! Maybe I should let us through. Let us through. That's my bad boy right there. Alright, so I'm in my tent now. The last couple of hours I had a short nap in the car while it's been raining outside. Cooked at the camp kitchen because raining outside, and then just had a shower and go into my tent. I'm gonna go to bed. It's really looking bad. I was gonna do the sunrise tomorrow morning, but if the weather continues like this, it doesn't look like I'm gonna be going anywhere. So I'll peek my head out at 5 AM. If it still looks like crap, I'll just go back to bed. If not, then join me on the adventure tomorrow. But tonight, I'll say goodnight and I'll see you tomorrow, whatever we do. Good morning, wanderers. It's about 20 to 5. Sleep wasn't that great, it was alright. There's a sky full of stars, it's so bright. So I'm gonna get ready now, get ready to go, and then yeah, go for this 1 hour hike. But I'm so keen now, so because the clear sky means it should be a good sunrise. What I've been waiting for, so let's get ready. So it looks like this is a car park. There's no one here at all. Zero, zilch. It is strenuous walking. So